Guys, this is the place where I am gonna cook. Bro, don't play yet.
Yes, I know. I just went.
No man is on his horse. Oh, no, da-na-na. Bro, wait. I haven't even gone in yet.
I know.
Ugh.
But
Wait. I am kitty cat. Kitty cat. Play. No mami es con eso coto de me no la si que chosko aska bokaskoski. Okay. Wait, I spawning at the fallacy. Okay, let's start. Not I'm start bro, not.
okay.
Yeah. Wow, it's so clean.
Yeah, just like your mouse. Oh, boleh masuk dalam ni ah?
Oh. Wait, is that ice cream?
No, it's not ice cream, bro. It's not ice cream.
Put it down.
I have an advantage here. I can use internet.
Oh, not in got adventure. Oh no. Stop. I don't need fire yet, bro.
I just throw food, bro. I just throw a whole ass gala.
I'm gonna cook worse than you.
Wow. What? The challenge is to cook good, not worse.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna cook like bread
I could.
and sausage.
Wow. Try to make as much food as you can for dinner.
Oh no. Close it. Okay, and then I'm gonna put it. Wait, no. It's
Okay,
supposed
I
to
know
be
why.
here.
Why do you hate this
And
pen?
then
I can use internet, by the way, so I can use the
Aw.
faucet.
bro, my cousin can use internet, but I don't have internet.
Internet, wow.
Yeah. Boom. I'll just post this video when I have Wi-Fi.
Sebab tengok ni.
Apa? Pour Naim. I'll close it back. Close. Okay, I'll just put it down. Oh, I need another place. Oh wait, this can wait. Yeah. No, the frying pan. Okay. Yeah. And then this. I'm gonna yeah, okay, put it down. Okay, then I'm gonna open this everything. Spark. Okay. Let's wait. Oh, where is Grandma? Oh, hi, Grandma. What is she doing? Oh, okay, it's done. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, done. Oh no, this one doesn't look crispy. Wait a minute, I need a plate. Let me go take a plate. I need a plate. Hi, Grandma. What you doing? Well, Grandma, I'm trying to do this. Ow. Oh. Yeah. Cooking. Oh. Put this on. The plate is. Oh. Oh, I hate this. Huh?
Sampah tu boleh tak?
Wait.
Good, now I have
No, Grandma, I accidentally did it.
Yeah.
I didn't mean to break the plate.
Sama.
I accidentally broke a plate.
Sama.
Bro, my cousin broke a plate too.
So we are both done.
No. We are both just bad at cooking.
No, I am good at cooking, just accident, bro.
Yeah. Okay, I think grandma is good now. Boom. Yeah, thanks,
I'm going
grandma.
to cook some fish. Oh,
Yeah. I need a plate. What's wrong with this plate? I don't want it. I'll just
kalau kita tak ada
Wait.
hole, I think kita laju. Kalau kita hole, kita lambat.
hold tu apa?
Hole tu macam pegang aku pula.
Oh.
Itulah nak ni.
I'm gonna go take this preppy. Wait, no. Wait. Yeah.
I'm going to cook that fish until it's done. What?
What the way you talk is kinda menacing.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. Stop it, stop.
Spiderman.
Stop.
Oh, ada cara macam nak apa tu kat sini tanpa gunakan tu parkour. Guna tu. Pergi kat dinding, lepas tu climb, lepas tu tu.
Pergi ke dinding. Dinding. Oh, no, I don't
Yes,
wanna do
I'm
it.
cooking the fish. Grandma will love it.
Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna do the sausage.
You can't cook, you can't.
No, why is the pan flipped? I need to
Oh,
put it
my
here.
hot dog is done.
Bro, I'm literally cooking hot dog. And then you say that your hot dog is done. I need hot dog. Boop. I don't need this. Grandma? Okay, I'm okay. Grandma, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Grandma, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, Grandma. I'm trying to cook something for you. And I accidentally broke a plate. Yeah. Yeah. No, the hot dog. Where did the hot dog go? I need the hot dog. Hi, Grandma. Wait, I gotta put the hot dog in poop.
Anak.
I'll put the hot dog in poop and then put poop
No,
on
macam
the...
Anak masak je, letak je jangan Wow! Gordon Ramsay is coming for you next time.
Gordon Ramsay is coming for me?
Yes.
Oh no, I gotta cook perfectly this time. Or else Gordon Ramsay is gonna say,
Wow! Yang buat backflip tadi.
okay. What?
Hey!
Girl.
I killed grandma.
You killed Grandma?
Don't worry.
Oh yeah, Grandma always revives.
Mana ni lah tempat yang kata tu yang tak payah guna ni.
Oh cool.
Tengok.
Oh.
Kita climb. Ke sini. Kalau grandma marah, kita nurul je kat sini.
Oh, okay. Oh, if Grandma's mad.
He's got it all has
She's got a pan. Bro, poor you. Now if...
Fire! I dropped my weapon. I dropped my only weapon.
Naim,
Yes.
don't ask what happened here.
What happened here? Kenapa naik suara
I
macam
was trying to like take a plate
Kenapa
and
suara
then
naik macam Peter Griffin ya?
what?
Tak suara
Oh, that guy, that gay. But that guy's voice is more like a kid.
Yes, actually.
Okay, let me just cook cake.
A little
Cookie.
kid. Both of voice is okay. Oh, dinosaur.
Wait, I need to like put something here.
Nazim pun tahu game ni macam mana.
Boom. This is the place where I will be putting it. Yeah.
Macam nak bunuh grandma.
Okay, it's cooking. Yeah, it's preppy, it's pretty. Yeah, I'll close it now. Okay, let me close everything. Okay, now I need a plate. Oh, wow, that looks good. Nah, I don't need a plate. I'll just use the floor. Grandma, I'm gonna cook on the floor. Don't step on it. Bro, Grandma, you scared me. Put this here. No, hot dog, don't go away.
I accepted.
Wait,
the whole thing.
I'll just put it here. Oh, wait, I gotta put it here. Okay, got it. And then here. Oh, no. Okay, boom. Okay, and then I take the toast and put it on the table. Yeah. I need to take out everything. Yeah. Wait, I'll just throw everything. No, the toast. Wait, I might throw this plate.
Sekejap, ada Siri ke kat dalam game ni?
Tak sangat kot.
Sama maksudnya.
Grandma, I'm sorry.
I love cooking someone food.
No, the fish! I wanted to try and pop all the balloons, but I want to take the fish too. But I did it. Okay. Fishy fish. Wait, I'm gonna like cook a fish too. Okay, put down the fish. I don't need the sausages. Let me throw the sausages.
You actually cannot cook the fish. The fish just go home.
No, I don't care. I'm gonna feed Grandma alive.
Alive,
An alive fish that's
Oh
alive.
God, that fish.
Yeah. The pen glitch inside.
Bagus. Tanya pun tak nak ikan tu.
Yeah. Put the okay. Okay, now I'm gonna cook it. Boop. Spark. Okay, it's cooking.
Sedapnya roti.
No, I'll just let it burn.
Oh.
Okay, let me just go up. Yeah. And then go up. And I put the toast. And then I go down and then take the sausage. There's supposed to be 4 sausage and 4 toast in total. 4 sausage and 4 toast. I hope Grandma likes mine.
Oh, Grandma dies.
Bro, Grandma dies?
James, pay attention. Oops. Did you just check me out? Yes, I like you. You are rusticated.
Okay, put it back. No, the plate.
Ni tengok asal orang makan-makan tak?
Okay. This is kinda exhausting.
Jom Man tengok. Orang masak. Oh, jom lah tahi.
I'll just put it on the floor. I don't want that. Huh? Wait. Grandma.
Jom lah tengok.
Okay. But aren't we doing a competition?
Mana ada commercial rubber I die.
That sounds so good. That sounds so good.
This is on the floor.
Wait, are you done with your dish?
Yeah.
Cool. Wait, there's only 3. I need one more. Where is
It's
the
from
last one?
Ratatouille.
Where's the last one? Ratatouille. Why did that mouse take it? Oh, I'm a cat, so I can kill the mouse. Yeah. No! Come back, sausage.
I put cake inside.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
These two have some serious beef.
This and that. Okay. I don't need this glass, so I'll just throw it. I don't need this fork, so I'll just throw it too. Grandma, I'm sorry. Grandma got a pan. I gotta stay quiet. Yeah, boom. Grandma. Grandma, eat. Wait a minute, it's not time for you to eat. Sorry, Grandma. Bye, Grandma. Grandma. Oh no, I hear Grandma's voice. Shut up, big girl. Okay, good thing. Oh wait, I gotta check on the fish that I made. Naim, look at the fish that I made.
What the fuck?
No, fish. No, fish. The fish is burned and roasted. Nah, I don't care. I'll just put here. Wait, what? Okay, boom. And then take the pan. And I'll go hit Grandma. Because Grandma always tries to hit me
What?
with the pan. Bro, Grandma, shut up. You are scaring me up. No, the pan. That's good. Yeah. Boom. Yeah. Grandma, come eat. Naim. Uh-oh, Grandma. You are not supposed to be alive. Grandma, I was supposed to bring you to the kitchen table.
Yes, Daddy.
Bro, what? Yeah. Okay, Grandma is nice again. Wait, where is Grandma?
Bagi mo baru anak.
Eh,
Anak.
wait, where is your food? I'm trying to bring Grandma to the table.
I keep it.
Kitchen table.
I eat it. I eat the whole goddamn
You
thing.
killed the. You killed Grandma.
No, I eat the food. Apa kata kita battle royale dengan Grandma? Siapa
Yeah.
boleh Grandma?
Got it.
Bring
Yeah.
Grandma to the rooftop. Allah Akbar ya Tuhan ya Allah. Anak aku ni.
I'm trying to bring Grandma to the kitchen table. Cause I made Grandma. Oh. Grandma, Grandma, Grandma! Look at what you did. I hate you, Grandma.
The food is
I hate you, Grandma. Uh-oh, Grandma. Grandma.
Bisa lah, bisa lah.
You get red for me. You get red for me, bro. Shut up.
Cuba kumpul apa tu macam blok dengan apa semua. Lepas tu kumpul ke atas tu. Lepas tu marahkan Grandma. Lepas tu baling-baling kat Grandma.
Yeah, that's perfect. I'm gonna take. Look at how many plates I have on the ground. Oh.
Okay, jom kita kumpulkan.
I wanna watch TV too, Grandma. Oh yeah.
Anak cepatlah kumpul banyak blok-blok dekat atas tu. Lepas tu marahkan Grandma. Lepas tu nanti kita boleh bunuh Grandma. Okay, Anak.
She has a remote. Grandma,
Cepatlah nak kumpulkan blok. Lepas tu nanti kita boleh bunuh Grandma.
I think I already made Grandma mad.
Yes, probably.
Grandma, you ain't gonna
Yeah,
get me. Okay, good thing Grandma's still good. Okay, let me go.
Oh, Grandma.
Bro,
She's like
wait, there's two remotes. I was like closing the TV, and then Grandma like opened TV using a remote. But then I saw that there was the normal remote was just like beside me, and then I noticed that there was two remotes. So that means there is two remotes. Yeah. Okay. Yes, I need another one. Yeah. Yeah. Wait a minute. Bro, look. It's floating.
What the f-
Bro, what? Go up, and then here, and then put it here. Ooh. Wow, that's preppy. Wow. Okay, no. I need to take this. I need to take, like, a lot of things.
Like what? Like food.
Yeah, I need poop.
Wah. Banzai.
Wait, Grandma didn't even eat my fish. Bro, shut up. Yeah,
Dia kata anda boleh bunuh orang dunia.
yeah. Okay. Oh, Grandma, what are you doing? Just watching? No, I don't really care about what Grandma's doing. But, Grandma, You cannot just hit me for nothing.
Naik bunuh grandma lagi sekali. Oh my god.
Bro, why did you kill Grandma again?
I am the ugly.
Stop killing Grandma.
I am scared.
Wait, I wanna kill Grandma too.
Kata jangan kill grandma.
I need more glasses.
I kill grandma again with
Bro.
a fish. With a goddamn fish. Rasa memang dah habis ni.
Nain puasa penuh tak?
Naik cuti 3 hari juga.
Bro. 3 days. I literally did full. And you're like a teenager.
Bambuzel. Susah. Ui, nak bunuh grandma waktu dia hampir nak bunuh Naim.
Bro.
Thank you. Ana nak dapat grandma punya thief.
Wait, I want Grandma's teeth too.
Tu balik guna fish.
Okay, let me go take my fish.
Oh no, I dropped it. Now it's gone. Grandma wouldn't can. Sekejap, nanti nak off internet nanti. Sorry guys.
Oh. Bro, it's so hard to climb.
You know what?
Okay, I
I'm going
got
to throw a
up.
whole toaster at her.
Where's my fish?
Remember you cook it.
Where's my fish? Oh yeah, my fish is down there.
That's why you have to restart the program first.
No, my fish is here. I don't care. Girl.
Anna, cactus plant. Cactus plant.
Oh.
Oh no.
Eh. 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 Grandma, I need your teeth.
Shut up, grandma.
Bro, how can I take her teeth?
You have to throw her with a goddamn fish. That is alive, not cooked.
Oh.
You have to restart the program again.
Aw.
Grandma. Grandma died today. I have the
Grandma.
cactus plant. Now the cactus plant. I
Cool.
just throw the cactus plant at her butt cheeks. Let's see if blood come out. Mana cactus plant tak buat damage.
Oh. Okay. Thanks for telling me.
Yeah.
How do I keep missing?
Because you have bad aim, you're a woman.
Bro, I pushed her on the butt cheeks.
Same. Oh, I cannot stop. Kalau grandma bangun banzai dia.
Grandma?
Oh, main bunuh grandma.
Grandma, where are you?
Ready to open fire at 3.
Grandma, where are you? Bro, Grandma literally spawned like there.
Grandma incoming, fire!
Kaya.
Okay, nak kumpul buku dengan banyak tu nanti
I'm gonna
so many.
reset progress.
Hana,
Okay, I'm resetting my progress.
Hana, Naya akan kumpul banyak benda. Nanti Naya boleh baling kat dia.
It's so cool doing all this. Okay, guys, I'm gonna do another one. Bye.
Hana, Naya bunuh grandma lagi.
Ooh, wishka. Okay, bye, guys.